Hello, in this video I'm going to show the property management application over Odoo 17, the latest edition. So here is how the main dashboard looks like. We have the real estate module. First, we start by defining the property structure. By order, we have regions or projects, then main property like buildings, and then sub-properties which are units inside this building. So first we start by the project. We define the project name, and here we can set the parent project or region if applicable, and here we can the address, the country and state and the zip code and so on. Then we define the main property. Let's create new one. I'll call it building ABC. Okay. And then here you can set the purchase date if exists. The launching date, you can link it with analytic account or cost center for accounting purpose to calculate the cost and revenue. And here comes the basic information like the property type, the land area, the property area, number of elevators for passengers and for goods or freight elevator, the price if you're selling this property. Okay, the number of floors and number of units per floor. So let's say this building has 5 floors and 4 units per floor. So we should have 20 units inside this building, 5 times 4. Okay. If I navigated to the other tab, properties, here it's empty, blank. Let's hit this button, create units. Okay, so it created here 20 units. So it takes the building code and the floor number and then the unit number. So if I pick this property 3 4, it means it's in the third floor, property number 4, or subunit sub property number 4, and so on. Okay, you can navigate to the building units from here, the sub properties. Also, you can upload multiple images here. You can add the floor plans. Let me upload one to show you how it looks like. See. It's showing the structure of the floor, how it's divided into units like this. You can add multiple images here. You can add any document here, any extension. You can add Word file, Excel files, images, and so on. Here you can add additional information regarding the building licenses, and here you can add notes. You can add formatted notes and so on. Okay, so here we create the subunits or the sub-properties from inside the building using this functionality, create units automatically based on the number of floors and number of units per floor. Or you can create them manually from the sub-properties. Here I'm saving, and then I go to sub-property. You can see the properties here classified by their state. We have this much available properties, 107, and we have one sold property. Okay, if I pick this one, this is the subunits, the smallest unit I have. You can set here the owner of this property. You can post a video URL. It can be available for rent or for sale or for both. same time. Here you set the rental fee and the insurance fee, the unit status, either it's finished or semi-finished or so, the net area and the gross area and the construction date, number of rooms in the unit, number of bathrooms, is it connected with a telephone and internet or no, the selling price and the cost price, in which floor it's located, the electricity meter and water meter, if the garage is included, if it has a garden, what's the area of this garden, if it has balconies. Okay, and here the components. If it's furnished, you can add here like bedroom, and this bedroom you can add components here like we have beds, number of 3 beds, we have chairs and 5 chairs, we have a sofa here with quantity 1. Okay, and let's save, and let me now jump back to the sub property. You can add additional information, you can add the geolocation here, it can be done by the latitude and longitude. You can select here the country and the city and type the address, and here the geolocation is automatically computed. You can add multiple images, multiple documents, and multiple contacts, the owners of this property. You can have multiple owner for one property, and here you can add formatted notes.